This is my Walmart beauty box. It's only $5 for the box. They say this is the winter one. Well, I thought my last one was the winter one. Did I get two winners? Spring? I don't know. Anyway, like I said, it's only $5 for the whole box. You get it once a season, 4 times a year. And I think it's well worth it for what you get in it. So, celebrate your beauty. Let's see what we got in here. We have Plaker's Micro Mint Freshens Breath. I've been looking for a new mint, so maybe... Oh, wait. Oh, these are dental flossers. Travel case. Well, I'll use them up, but I'm not really crazy about these kind of flossers. I like the string flossers, but hey, maybe for traveling they might come in handy. I don't know. Tresemme. Fresh Start, new formula, no visible. Volumizing dry shampoo. I have short, naturally curly hair that I get wet every day. I don't really need a dry shampoo, but occasionally I'll use it on the weekends. So that's what we'll do. Ooh, check this out. That's definitely my color. I love purple. P2 Volume Gloss. Never heard of P2. Says it's a gel look polish. Does it have a name on it? Oh, here we go. Maid of Honor. I love the color. That one will go great. And then we have a Gold Bond Radiance Renewal. I think it's just a lotion. I will always use a lotion. So right now, I think this is well worth the $5 just between the nail polish and the lotion. But we'll see what else is in here. And we have a sleeping mask. Sleeping mask. While sleeping. Definitely want to give that a go. Put it on and go to bed. That sounds like a plan. And then you get sometimes some coupons. This is, off the flossers, which I probably won't use. And no nail polish. Okay, so that's it. It's a pretty light box. There have been better boxes, fuller ones in the past. So I still think it's a pretty good deal. I got a nice mask, polish, and lotion. And you'll probably find these in the empties at some point in time down the road. So watch my empty videos, which hopefully I'll be posting some in the near future. But if you want to watch further Walmart beauty boxes, there's a little playlist over there. And you can also hit the subscribe button, share, like, and comment. Appreciate your support. Thank you very much.